Standard 10th Mathematics Exercise 1.2 Fourth question. Study the relation given below in set builder form. Represent each of them by 3 subdivisions are given. A is an arrow diagram, B is a graph you'll have to draw, and C is a set in roster form you'll have to write it. Whether possible, if it is possible, you'll have to write it. So your first subdivision in that, it is given in set builder format x comma y such that x is equal to 2y. Condition is given x is equal to 2y and your x values are 2, 3, 4, 5 and your y values are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just go with the given value. So given your condition is x is equal to 2y and your x value is given and your y value is given. We will find y first. Y is equal to x, bring this 2 towards your left hand side, so it will come to the denominator, so x by 2. So once we have found x by 2, we will just give the values for x and we will find y, okay. So when x is equal to, your first value, it is 2 is given, so just substitute 2 here, so y is equal to 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Then when x is equal to your second value, x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 3 by 2 you will get. If you divide it, you will get your 1.5 from there. When x is equal to your next value, it is 4. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 by 2 which is equal to 2. Then the last value, when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 by 2. If you divide it, you will get your 2.5. So now what they have asked you to prove it, right? Draw your arrow diagram. Your first condition is an arrow diagram. You will have to draw it. So an arrow diagram. So we will write the elements of x and y first. So x, this is the element of x, and y will write it here. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5. They are given in your set as x, okay. Then y. Y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So y is given here. Just write all the elements. Then just see 2x. When x is equal to 2, we have got y is equal to 1. So 2 should map to 1. Then 3 and 1.5 will not be there because 1.5 you won't be able to map it here in y. So leave that. Then 4 must go to 2. So 4 should map to 2. So this is your arrow diagram. Again the next one is x is equal to 5. It is 2.5. So you won't be able to mark it here. Okay. So this is an arrow diagram for your given question. The second subdivision, that is B. You will have to draw a graph for that. So y-axis and x-axis will just draw and mark your values. It is 2, 3, 4, 5 it is given. So 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll just mark x-axis here and y-axis. And y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the values what we have got it over there, that values you'll have to map it here. Okay, so 2 and 1. So in x-axis you'll have to take 2 and in your y-axis you'll have to take 1. So it is 2 comma 1. So 2 here and 1 here. Okay, so 2 comma 1. The next value is 4 comma 2. So 4 from your x-axis and 2 from your y-axis. So it is 4 comma 2. So this will be a graph. The third subdivision C, a set in roster form, you will have to write it. So roster form is, write your set R, that is equal to, which and all is paired over there, just write it in your ordered pair, children. So it is 2 comma 1 and here 4 comma 2. So this is your set in your row step form. So this is your answer for your fourth question, first subdivision. Fourth question, second subdivision. Again your set builder format is given x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3 and x and y are natural numbers less than 10 it is given, and x is equal to, so your natural number starts with 1, so up to 9 you will have to write it. So x is from 1 to 9, again y is also less than 10 is given, so y is also from 1 to 9. So we will just start with the condition given. Your y is equal to x plus 3. So now you will have to give the value for x and you will have to find your y. So we'll just give, when x is equal to, your first value is 1 is given. So substitute here in your y. So you'll get 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Then when x is equal to 2, y is equal to, put 2 here, so 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to, substitute it here, 3 plus 3 that is equal to 6. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to, substitute it over there, so 4 plus 3 which is equal to 7. When x is equal to 5, substitute it over there, so y will become 5 plus 3 that is equal to 8. When x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 plus 3 that is equal to 9. So till 9 only they have asked you. Even though if you got values from here, that is 7, 8 and 9, you can substitute it. But see in your y up to 9 only we have got it. So we have got the value up to 9. So you'll have to stop it over there. Please don't find it for 7, 8 and 9 in your x because it will exceed your y values. So just stop it over here. First subdivision, an arrow diagram you will have to draw. Just draw an elliptical figure. So write your elements in your x first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same way your elements in your y, we just mark this as x and this is y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the mapping from here you will have to take it. X, when x is equal to 1, the answer is 4. So 1 should go to 4. Then 2 should go to 5. So 2 to 5 is your mapping, next mapping. Then 3 to 6. So 3 must go to 6. Then 4 must go to 7. 5 must go to 8. 6 should go to 9. So this is an arrow diagram. Second subdivision, that is your B subdivision, a graph you will have to draw. So a graph, y-axis and your x-axis. So mark the numbers from 1 to 9, both the sides. So 0 here, this is your x-axis, your y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same way here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now the mapping is from 1 to 4. So in x-axis 1 and in your y-axis it is 4. So straight to this, just write 1, 4. Second one is 2 to 5. So in x-axis 2 and in your y-axis straight to 5, just put a x mark or a ditto. 1, 5. 2, 5. Then it is 3 to 6. So x-axis 3 and in your y-axis 6. So 3, 6. 4 to 7. So 4 in your x-axis and 7 in your y-axis, straight to that. 4, 7. Then 5 to 8. So 5 in your x-axis and 8 in your y-axis. So 5, 8. Then 6 to 9. So 6 in your x-axis, 9 in your y-axis. So 6, 9. So this will be your graph for your given question. Subdivision C, that is a set in roster form, you will have to write it. So just write your set R is equal to, open your bracket, write the numbers in ordered pair. Straight away from here you can write it, otherwise what you have found before, from there also you can write it. It is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. So this is the answer for your fourth question, second subdivision.